Hi, all. You ever
The
wanted to get
best, the
something
best, the
extra
best, the
set up
best, the
for
best, the
your
best, the best, the
chat,
best, the
like
best, the
setting
best, the
up
best, the best,
text
the
to
best, the
speech
best, the
using
best, the
channel
best, the best,
points?
the best, the best, the best, the best, the best, the
It
best, the
sounded
best, the
like a
best,
good
the best,
idea
the
at
best, the best,
first.
the best, 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 the
I
best, the
guess
best,
I'll
the
show
best,
you
the
how to
best,
do
the
it
best, the
today.
best, the 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 best, the
Yeah.
best, the best, the best, the best.
Hi, folks, and welcome to our channel. Here we look at anything and everything that we could do to help you get your stream looking and sounding as best as it possibly can. If you've done so already, please help me out with a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it to anybody that might be able to benefit from it. I am your stream champ, The Argument Monk, and if you haven't done so already, also follow me on Twitch. I stream quite often, and if you pop in, see me live, you're always welcome to ask any sort of questions that you might come up with as far as helping you out on your stream. And in the worst case scenario, we can get some games in together. It'll be kind of fun. That said, though, let's look at today's video and get started. All right, here we are on my Stream PC side of things. The very first thing you need to do, and this is actually a really easy setup to be honest, you need to go into this Twitch channel. So log into your Twitch, navigate around to channel points underscore TTS. In their chat area, go ahead, exclamation mark TTS space register. And then you should register into their site. Takes a half a second. Hey, guess what? We registered. And then you just need to go into your chat. So go into your chat channel. We need to set up a channel point redemption. So highlight your icon, go to your dashboard, go into your stream manager, and up on the top left, bring down your options. We're going to go into community to mess with our channel points. I'm always looking for new channel points ideas, and I think this is a pretty cool one. So manage your rewards. I already have text to speech here. I'm going to delete it. And that way I can bring out a new one and show you. So we're going to plus for a new custom reward. I'll say TTS. You can name it whatever you want to name it. And then require them to enter a text and then give it some sort of value cost. Everything else is kind of optional. Hit create. And then we're going to go back into our channel so we can link it. So now that we're back in our channel, go underneath your redemptions and go ahead and redeem that reward. And here we need to hit exclamation mark TTS link. And then it gives it half a second, and we'll get a respond with a little bit of a URL here for us. We need to copy this website URL, and then going into OBS itself, hit plus. We're going to do a new browser source. You can name it whatever you want. And then we're going to copy that browser's URL that we just got right in here. It doesn't matter what size because it's going to end up being invisible. But it is important that you check shutdown source when not visible and hit OK. The way my audio works, and it might be a little bit different for you, I do need to route it a little bit differently so you can actually hear this. So I'm going to go to advanced audio properties and I'm going to highlight my TTS, that browser sort. I'm just going to turn on monitor and output so we can actually hear it. Just because of my audio settings, it's a little weird how I have it set up. Okay, now if we go back into the channel itself, we can test this new TTS text to speech. And I'll say something like hello home glitch or something like that. And give it a second.
Hello, home glitch.
And hopefully you heard that properly, like I heard it in my ears. That way, you know, it's set up correctly. Oops, close this thing on there. So we know it's set up correctly, and we got to go back into my channel one more time. So I want to show you a couple more things. All right, so there's some settings and some things you can do for it. So if you want to go TTS space help, you can get some idea of some of the commands you can do. You can change quite a few things. Along with TTS voices, you can actually, if I could spell correctly. Ah! ah! Bam! Whoop! All right, so TTS voices, you can get a list of voices that you can actually change them to, and that will bring up this list here. So if you have a preference on like accent and country of origin, etc., these are all different voices you can change it to. If you want to mess with the settings as well, hit TTS space settings, and then you can see things like volume control, cooldowns, pretty much everything you would want to do as far as customizability for it. And you can mess around and tailor it however you want to tailor it. So I think that's it. It's a really quick video today. Like I said, pretty easy setup. If you have any questions, always feel free to DM me. I'll try to help you out as best I can, and I'll see you next time, Home Glitches. Be safe.
Plates in the ocean. Just dash across. You can dash. She lied.
That's a negative.